Understood. So we can start this question. Solution. Let A, B, C, D are the vertices of the rhombus. Understood. We know by distance formula AC equal to under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this we have taken, what we have taken, x1 equal to 3, y1 equal to 0. This is x2 equal to minus 1, y2 equal to 4. So AC equal to under the root x2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 4 minus y1 0, 4 minus 0 whole square. So what's it's become? AC equal to under the root 3, 4, 16 plus 16, how much? Under root 32. Or this we can write, this write as it is, this is. Again finding out, what we finding out? This BD we can say this is x3 equal to 4, y3 is equal to 5, and this we can say x4 equal to minus 2, and y4 equal to minus 1, equal to minus 1. So we can find out, we know BD equal to under the root x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square. So what is this? BD equal to x4 minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 4. So minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus y4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 5 whole square. If you can solve it, this is become minus 6 whole square plus minus 6 whole square. Understood? So this is how much? 36 plus 36 under root 72. Understood? And now we know area of a rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 di diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. One diagonal is AC, other diagonal is BD. So it's meaning 1 by 2. What is this? Under root 32 into under root 72. So if you can solve it, 1 by 2, this we can write 4 under root 2, and this we can write 6 under root 2. So 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, into under root 2, into under root 2. So what's coming? 12 into 2, how much? 24 square units. This is the area of this rhombus. So this, all about this chapter, exercise 7.2, I told you, I have taken so much time, but I know here only we have to use formula. If we know previous knowledge is okay, or our base is okay, then no problem. And if we don't know what are the diagonals of a parallelogram and what's the relationship between them, what is midpoint and what is the trisection of a line segment,